world, we are live at the 2025 Nanchang Air Show. The sky is about to ignite with adrenaline.
On the afternoon of October 31st, the 2025 Nanchang Air Show and Aviation Industry Expo officially kicked off at Nanchang Yaohu Airport. At this air show, various international aerobatic teams show up here.
And now it's time to feel the roar of the engines.
With breathtaking stunts that push the limits, every roll and climb in the sky is a powerful testament to their devotion to flight.
是一名飞行迷，四川过来的，特地过来看新的这个航展，感觉很震撼。飞行员做出的机动特技都很漂亮、很美，能看到这样，我觉得来南昌飞行大会就很值得来。
从20年这个我们飞行表演队组建以后呢，我们每年的这个大会我们都会参加，只不过我是第2次来这里，我相信他们会越办越好，然后我们的机型也越来越多，观众朋友们、各种台湾爱好者也会越来越多。
It's a really good city. We love it. We love the Chinese people. We love how you are meeting us. We are really appreciate about it. It's good atmosphere. It's a lot of pilots, a lot of group like this, and we are happy to show our abilities.
A journey across borders, a dance through clouds and sky. Together they intertwine above Nanchang, composing a passionate ode to the boundless sky.
This is more than a show, it's a bridge across skies.